Hey, what's up guys? So today we are here in a single story community, Ashland by Taylor Morrison here in Summerlin. Now, if you're looking for a nice single story that has 3-car garages, an inside outdoor courtyard, an option for a next gen suite, as well as a prep kitchen, well, don't go anywhere guys, because in this video, we are going to be touring the Summit floor plan. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Taylor Morrison with Sqft Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the news communities here in Las Vegas. So today is March 27, 2025, and today we're here at Ashland by Taylor Morrison here in Summerlin. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Summerlin, Summerlin is about 25 to 30 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. It's a beautiful, beautiful master plan community, one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. As far as like price per square feet, this is gonna be the highest here in Summerlin. Now, there's so much to do out here. You have hiking, there's Red Rock close by, you have downtown Summerlin close by, you have so many different like shopping centers, retail stores, so it definitely endless things that you can do here. Now, this community in specific is a all single story community out here. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer about 7 different floor plans here, okay? These are all single story homes. They're gonna be ranging from 2,450 square feet all the way up to 3,306 square feet, okay? So large single story homes, all 3-car garages. Now the base prices are gonna start at $1,124,900 all the way up to $1,524,900. When you look at the base price, right? Just know that the lot premium and the upgrades are not included, okay? So if you want to factor in what your total cost would be, you would have to have the upgrades. So the upgrades on average buyers are usually putting about 15 to 20% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Now, as far as the lot premiums go, they vary here in this community, right? Because there's like 1 or 2 lots right now that are 0 lot premium, and then they'll have their highest lot premium is $450,000, right? And that's going to be more of like a guaranteed strip views. Actually, I have a little sheet that kind of will tell me some lots in lot premiums. So it looks like they have several like $30,000, $35,000 lot premiums for 40. Then they also have a couple of the $150,000 lot premiums. I see one here for 450, some that are 10, one that's 1. So just to give you an idea of how that works. Now, in this community as well, as far as the HOAs goes, the HOA is about $119 for Ashland, okay, that's the HOA, and then you're paying $60 a month for the Summerlin West. So that equals about $179 a month. They do have a SID assessment here. Now, I will have a video of, I have a short video where I explain SID and lids. And I'll pop it on the screen for you guys. But the SID here is, you're gonna make bi-yearly payments of $832, okay, until the SID balance is paid. Now the balance is $21,407, okay. As far as like the average lot square feet, on average you're looking at about like 7,200 to 11,000. So, you know, still a pool-sized backyard if that's what you're looking to do. And also too, if you're looking to get under contract, earnest money deposit, they will collect between $50,000 to $75,000 to get you into contract, okay? Oh, there's one more thing. This community has 92 homes here, and they sold, this community is moving pretty quickly because they sold about 25, close to 30 homes. And this community has 92 lots here. So, but yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, everyone, welcome to the Summit floor plan. Now the Summit floor plan is 3,306 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, 1 story, 3-car garage, and the base price is $1,524,900. Okay. Now this also does have a option for a multi-gen suite. Okay. Again, paver driveway is included. The desert landscaping is included. The only landscaping that's not going to be included is going to be the backyard. And the HOA will give you about 6 months when you move in to fix that. Okay, so we got your 2-car garage, your 1-car garage right here. Okay, this is going to be your door to your multi-gen suite, so it has its own entry door. But yeah, we'll start off over here, headed for the main door. It's going to be an 8-foot door. So welcome in, guys. So right here in this hallway, you're going to have 10-foot ceilings, but in the living room, you're going to have 12-foot ceilings. Okay. Now, something that makes this floor plan unique is this courtyard, which is pretty cool. I mean, it's like an inside outdoor courtyard, right? So it's cool. Like right over there, you do have like a little hose spigot. Okay. Now this is an upgrade because you have the you have like this slider from the corner here. Okay, so you could definitely push that down. Otherwise, standard is you just have, I believe the entry would be right over here, and you just have like windows right here. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is optional. As you can see, you have the slider versus traditional. Okay. So just so you have an idea of the floor plan, to the left, you're going to have like the bedrooms, the guest bedrooms, and then down to the left, you're going to have the multi-gen suite. Okay. Right here, you're going to have a wet bar. Now, if you didn't want this wet bar, I think this is really nice, but if you didn't want this wet bar, on the other side is the primary walk-in closet. You could actually extend that out to right about here. Okay. So you would have, you know, a wall right here, but you'd have a larger primary closet. Okay, looks like you got your primary bedroom right over there. Let's take a look at this main living area. Okay, looks really good. Oh, here, we forgot to go over here. Powder room's gonna be right here. Okay, you got your single sink, your toilet. Okay, nothing really special over here. So you have some cabinet space. Look at this open area. Again, 12-foot ceiling, so it's gonna feel, you know, extra spacious. Okay, we do have the optional slider right there. That normally doesn't come included. And also we have the upgraded 12-foot slider here as well. Okay. Got the optional waterfall island. Got the stacked cabinets, the upper cabinets. Okay. So it looks like we have the upgraded Wolf kitchen package as well. Now, something that's really cool about this floor plan is it does have a prep kitchen, which I don't see too often, but yeah, we'll go ahead and check that out. Okay. Really nice. Got the Sub-Zero refrigerator. Look at that. Okay, guys. So look at the prep kitchen here. Right. So this is great. This is a great home for entertaining guests. You know, you cook all the food in here. Just, you know, lay them out over here. That way the guests don't see the mess. Now, if you didn't have this, what you would have is you would have this hallway, and then this would be you just have like a large pantry. Okay. You're gonna have your door to your garage, your 2-car garage. Right here, you have your laundry room. So you got some cabinets up there. You have your sink. Okay, place for your linens. Cool, we got some extra cabinet space here. And then a coat closet. Yeah, guys, how cool is this, right? Okay. The width of this island as well is an upgrade, because I believe it comes to like right about here. But yeah, you could upgrade and extend it out, which I would recommend. You know, who doesn't love a large island? Okay. By the way, like standard type of flooring in this community is you're gonna have like 18 by 18 ceramic tile. That'll be laid out all throughout the house, except for the bedrooms will have carpet. But I know most buyers, you know, they are going to upgrade the flooring. They're gonna have to do something like this, luxury vinyl plank, or some nice tile. Beautiful. Great for entertaining. Okay. All right, cool. So yeah, this covered patio is included as well. Not this addition though. So again, guys, remember, this is all gonna be dirt when you move in. I wanna say most of the backyards won't be this deep, okay? So just know the model homes are on oversized lots. Yeah, if you're watching this video and you know you've been watching new construction videos and you're thinking about, you know, looking for your brand new home, you know, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit to community. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Guys, just don't go by yourself, because the second you go by yourself, they're gonna ask you for your name, your phone number, and email. And then once they have that, it's going to be hard to get you some representation afterwards. Now, the big difference is the new build agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest, right? So, you know, definitely a smart move to get with somebody, especially somebody who's very familiar with new construction. So that way, you know, we're very aware of the process. We know what to negotiate and, you know, provide value to you. Okay, guys, so let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Cool, so you got some cabinet space here, which is nice. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Okay, ooh, really nice bath. Plenty of windows here. You're gonna get some nice lighting. Wow, okay. So it looks like we have your toilet room here, your walk-in shower. You have his and her sinks, and then right in the middle, you're gonna have your tub. There's a couple of different bathroom configurations, in case you didn't, you know, like that. But yeah, see right here, you're gonna have your walk-in closet. So there is plenty of room, but if this is not enough room for you and you don't care about the wet bar, then yeah, I mean, you could definitely extend this out as well. Okay, you'll have your attic access right up there. Okay. Yeah, it's a very nice home. All right. So as we head down this hallway, right over here, you're gonna have your bedroom. Okay. I would say this is probably like an 11 by 11. Cool. Small walk-in closet. Okay, if you want to add like any lights, can lights to the bedrooms, you could definitely do that. That's optional. Every bedroom's going to include this. Pre-wire to the ceiling fan. Cool. And then you have your, this bedroom is going to have its own full bath. Okay, nice shower tub, tile surround, all the way up to the ceiling. Right, so a couple structural upgrades you can do. Now this floor plan could have up to 5 beds. So the way this has 5 beds is, okay, so you saw the primary bedroom. This would be the second one. This would be the third. You'd have a fourth one right over here. And this would be a hallway, and you'd have your 5th one down there. But because they opted this model, they have it set up as a, right here, the next gen suite. So instead of this being 1 bedroom, the other one is a bedroom. I'll show you guys the next gen suite. Let's just take a look at this real quick. Okay, so linen closet, cool. Okay guys, so here's the next gen suite. That's your entry door we saw earlier. Again, next gen suites are they're perfect for if you have a guest staying, short term or even long term. If you want to give them a little bit more privacy, you want to give them their own living room area, like half kitchen. It's a great option. Separate entry, right? You live with your in-laws, or maybe you want to rent it out. I'm sure they would appreciate a next gen suite or a multi-gen suite. Okay, so here, this is a washer and a dryer at the same time. So if you want, you could probably do like the stacked washer and dryer. Okay, and this is going to be the bedroom for the next gen suite. Okay, got a standard closet. Okay, and this is going to be your 3/4 bath. So you got the walk-in shower, toilet, and then you have your sink. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for the largest floor plan, the Summit. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, any questions or if you need assistance, guys, I'd be honored to help. My info is going to be in the description below, but thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.